upbeat, fast-paced opening. You think your favorite apps and gadgets just appear. That the internet is just this wild, lawless place. Think again, because right now, behind the scenes, a massive global battle is being fought. Over you, over your data, over the future of technology itself. And it affects every single click you make. Welcome to the world of tech regulation. Sounds boring, right? I get it. But stick with me for a few minutes. Because this is absolutely one of the most important stories of our time. And today, we're breaking down the 3 biggest global policies that are secretly shaping your digital life. Let's start with the one you've probably heard of. Europe's GDPR. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Remember getting all those "we've updated our privacy policy" emails a few years back? That was GDPR. It stands for General Data Protection Regulation. But what it really means is, your data belongs to you. It gives you the power to ask a company, "Hey, what do you know about me?" And they have to tell you. You can even tell them to delete it. It's a game-changing right to be forgotten. But here's the thing. This isn't just a European law anymore. It's becoming the global standard. Because it's easier for a big tech giant to just apply these rules everywhere than to have 50 different systems, so a law passed in Brussels is actually protecting you in Brazil, or Canada, or right here. Wild, right? Okay, so Europe is about protecting your privacy. But what about China? Their approach is completely different. Let me tell you. China's strategy is all about control. They have something called the Great Firewall. And it's exactly what it sounds like. A wall around their internet. No Google. No Facebook. Instead, they have their own versions. And the government has immense power to monitor data and censor content. They call it cyber sovereignty. The idea that each country gets to make its own rules for the internet within its borders. Now, this creates a huge problem. It's creating what experts call the splinternet, a fragmented internet. One version for the West, one for China, and maybe others. So the idea of a single, global World Wide Web, that's not so guaranteed anymore. But wait, what does this actually mean for you? Well, if you're a business, it's a nightmare. You have to follow completely different rules in different places. And for us users, it means the internet you experience in one country could be totally different in another. Alright, so we've got Europe's privacy first model and China's control first model. So what's the US doing? Now, this is where it gets messy. The US has been the Wild West, a lot of freedom for tech companies to innovate. But after all the scandals around data and misinformation, that's changing fast. We're now seeing a push for something like a digital bill of rights. Ideas about making social media algorithms more transparent. Breaking up big tech monopolies. It's a huge, noisy debate. And the outcome of this fight will set the tone for the rest of the world. Will America follow Europe's lead? Or create its own path? So here's the bottom line. We're at a crossroads. 3 different paths. Europe says your data is your property. China says the internet is a matter of national security. And the US is still trying to figure it out. This isn't just about laws for lawyers. This is about the future of free speech. About your privacy. About what innovation even looks like in 10 years. So the next time you accept a cookie notice or scroll through your feed, remember, you're not just a user, you're a citizen in this new digital world. And it's worth paying attention to the rules they're writing for us. What do you think the right balance is? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. And remember, stay curious.